Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about Element Roku TV black screen with sound, fix how to reset no picture. Fix 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait for at least 3 minutes, plug the TV back in and power it on. Observe if the picture returns. Fix 2. Inspect HDMI connections. Ensure all HDMI cables are securely connected to both the TV and external devices. Try disconnecting and reconnecting the HDMI cables to confirm a firm connection. Test different HDMI ports on the TV to rule out a faulty port. Fix 3. Factory reset the TV. Locate the reset button on the TV, usually recessed button above the HDMI port. Use a pin to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 20 seconds. Release the button and wait for the TV to restart. Fix 4. Contact Element Support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be a hardware problem. Contact Element's customer support for further assistance. The link for customer support will be provided in the description. When you click on the link, a web page will be appeared on your screen. Here, when you scroll, you will find the phone number, or you can fill the form and can submit your request about the issue. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay connected with us by pressing the bell icon.